Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of integrated graphics with the AMD Ryzen 7 8700G. Let's see if this chip lives up to the hype. AMD is back with its latest offering in the APU market, promising to deliver solid gaming performance without the need for a discrete GPU. Priced at $329, the Ryzen 7 8700G aims to provide budget PC builders with a compelling option for 1080p gaming. Now, before we dive into the benchmarks, let's take a closer look at what the Ryzen 7 8700G brings to the table. The Ryzen 7 8700G features AMD's Zen 4 CPU architecture paired with RDNA 3 graphics, all packed into a 65W TDP package. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this chip boasts a base clock of 4.2 GHz and a boost clock of 5.1 GHz for the CPU. While the integrated Radeon 780M GPU offers 12 compute units running at 2900 MHz. Now, let's talk performance. We put the Ryzen 7 8700G through its paces in a variety of gaming benchmarks, and the results were impressive. In our tests, the Ryzen 7 8700G delivered solid 1080p gaming performance across a range of titles, with frame rates that were more than playable for most gamers. Titles like Insert Game titles ran smoothly at medium to high settings, showcasing the prowess of AMD's integrated graphics. But it's not just about gaming. The Ryzen 7 8700G also excels in power efficiency, making it a great option for those looking to build a budget-friendly PC without sacrificing performance. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. The higher DDR5 memory pricing and the cost of AM5 motherboards may deter some buyers, especially when compared to alternative CPU plus GPU combos. However, if you're willing to overlook these limitations, the Ryzen 7 8700G offers unbeatable integrated GPU gaming performance at an affordable price. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 7 8700G is a game-changer for budget PC builders. With its impressive integrated graphics performance and solid CPU capabilities, it's a compelling option for those looking to game at 1080p without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy gaming!